Assalamualaikum dear students. Good morning. Dear students, I hope you remember the last topic which we have done, that was the ignition temperature. We are studying the combustion and we talked about that there are three conditions which are necessary for the combustion. Condition number 1, presence of combustible material. Condition number 2, there should be oxygen available. Okay, and then we have done the activity and we came to the conclusion that there should be attainment of ignition temperature. If ignition temperature is not attained, anything, whatever the material you have, will be not start burning, right? So we have learned about what is ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature of the substance at which it starts the combustion. कोई भी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ का लोवेस्ट टेम्परेचर जहाँ पे वो जलना स्टार्ट करे, उसको हम उस मटेरियल का इग्निशन टेम्परेचर बुलाते हैं. ओके, एंड वी से दैट इग्निशन टेम्परेचर ऑफ पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट. ओके, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द पीस ऑफ अ पेपर, द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर इज डिफरेंट. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द वुडन ब्लॉक, द इग्निशन टेम्परेचर इज different. So different materials are having different ignition temperature. Also we have studied the history of the matchstick. Dear student, it is given over here that which are the chemicals we are using in the preparation of the matchstick. Okay, and also whole of the phenomena we have done, that how it will start igniting and how the process of burning is taking place. The question arises that what are the factors that can change the ignition temperature? ऐसी कौन कौन सी चीजें हैं जो ignition temperature को change कर सकती है? So dear student, we are going to do one activity which is going to help us to understand the concept of ignition temperature more in detail. So let us begin with that topic. Now dear student, activity 6.4, make 2 paper cups by folding a sheet of paper. Pour about 50 ml of water in one of the cup. Heat both the cups separately with a candle. What do you observe? Now dear student, what you have to do? You have to take a paper and you have to make a paper cup. Okay, it is also readily available. The tea cups are there which is made up of paper. We have plastic one also and we are getting paper one also. So hard paper is used to make the paper cups. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take 2 cups over there and out of 2 cups, in 1 cup we have to pour the water. एक कप में पानी डालना है, एक कप में पानी नहीं डालना है. And then what we have to do, with the help of the candle, we have to burn it. And what we are observing, that we have to write. So what do you observe? आप क्या observe करते हैं? What happens to the empty paper cup? What happens to the paper cup with the water? Does water in this cup become hot? क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं आप? क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं? क्या दोनों पेपर जल रहे हैं? क्या एक कप में जो पानी है वो गर्म हो रहा है? These are the question framed over here. What is your observation? आप क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हो? Dear student, if you remember, in class 6 and 7, you are studying the physics in which you are studying the concept like conduction, radiation, convection. These are the processes which are related with the heat. So आपका heat का concept almost clear है, that how the heat is moving from the very high hot part to the cold part. एक जगह जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हीट है वो ट्रांसफर होती है कहाँ पर, वो लोकेट होती है till the part which is colder one. Fine. So this is the same thing happening it over here. Let us see. If we continue heating the cup, we can even boil water in the paper cup. अगर हम ज़्यादा हीटिंग करें तो पेपर कप में जो वाटर है उसको हम बॉयल भी कर सकते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, जो हमारा एम्प्टी कप है उसके साथ क्या होगा? It will start burning. It will start burning. It will catch the fire and it will start burning. Combustion will take place. But why the combustion is not taking place in the cup wherein you are having the water? So dear students, the answer is ignition temperature. When we are pouring the water, it is not allowing the paper to attain its ignition temperature. सपोज कर लीजिए, मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी कहा था, आपको एज्यूम करना है कि आपकी एक टेक्स्ट बुक है जिसपे पानी गिर गया है, ठीक है। तो कुछ पेजेस जो है वो वेट है और कुछ पेजेस जो है वो ड्राई है। नाउ व्हेन यू आर आस्क्ड टू बर्न देम, व्हिच पेपर्स आर गोइंग टू बर्न क्विकली? ऑफ कोर्स द पेपर्स व्हिच आर ड्राई, जिसमें पानी नहीं गिरा है, एंड द पेपर ऑन व्हिच द वाटर इज देयर, दे विल बी नॉट स्टार्ट बर्निंग इजीली. What does this means? It means that ignition temperature plays an important role in combustion, and water is one of the factor which can change the ignition temperature. वो आपका जो मटेरियल है उसका ignition temperature attain नहीं करवाने दे रहा है, इसलिए combustion नहीं हो रहा. Okay? Can you think of an explanation for this phenomenon? The heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to water by conduction. Okay, as I told you just now, that conduction होता है, आपका जो पेपर कप है, जितनी भी हीट उसे आपके कैंडल से मिल रही है, वो किसको ट्रांसफर कर रहा है? वाटर को. And that is why we can heat the water. We can even boil the water which is present in the paper cup. But the paper cup will not burn. It is not going to burn and it is not going to get combusted because it is containing water. So, in the presence of the water, the ignition temperature of the paper is not reached. As I told you, that because of the water, the ignition temperature will be not attained. But hence, it does not burn. इसीलिए वो नहीं चलता. The substance which have very low ignition temperature and can be easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. Very important definition, dear students. Here it is saying that ऐसे जितने भी substance जिनका ignition temperature बहुत ही कम है, very low, थोड़े से temperature पे वो जलना start हो जाए तो इसको बोलते हैं very low ignition temperature. And if it starts catching the fire quickly, such a materials are called inflammable substances. For example, petrol. For example, kerosene. For example, diesel. You know, these are going to catch the fire very quickly. Even the gases like CNG and LPG, these are going to catch the fire very quickly. So, dear students, these are the examples of the inflammable substances. I hope you are getting. You can try to search more examples also. Let us see further. Examples of inflammable substances are petrol, alcohol, liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG, etc. You can list some more inflammable substances. आप दूसरे inflammable substances भी list out कर सकते हैं. Fine. Okay. Our next topic is very important, and let me tell you, dear student, it is applicable in the real life also. When you are knowing this particular, you can use your knowledge and you can come out from any situation. Not only we people, but if any other people are also there in a trouble, you can help out them also. Perhaps you have the proper knowledge how to deal with any particular condition. So here a very important question is arise. How do we control fire? How do we control fire? हम fire कैसे control करते हैं? जैसे ही ये word आता है या जैसे ही ये question rise होता है, सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? What do we first of all think about? We think about first of all splashing the water. You know, हम टेलीविजन सेट्स पे देखते हैं, हम बहुत सारी मूवीज में देखते हैं, सीरियल्स में देखते हैं, हर जगह टेलीविजन सेट में दिखाया जाता है कि अगर कहीं पे आग लग गई है तो लोग क्या करते हैं? लोग डर जाते हैं, इधर उधर भागना शुरू कर देते हैं और क्या करते हैं? बकेट ऑफ वाटर दे स्टार्ट स्प्लैशिंग, पानी डालना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. क्यों? आग बुझाने के लिए. सो दिस इज अ कॉमन थिंग कमिंग इन अवर माइंड. बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू थिंक दैट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, which are the other sources by which we can just extinguish the fire. हम fire extinguish कर सकते हैं. Let us see in detail. You must have seen or heard of fire breaking out in homes, shops and factories. If you have ever seen such an accident, write a short description in your notebook. Also share the experience with your classmates. अगर आपने कहीं पे देखा है किसी दुकान में आग लग गई, किसी शॉप में आग लग गई, किसी के घर में आग लग गई या कहीं बड़े से मॉल में आग लग गई, आपने कोई भी ऐसा इंसिडेंस देखा है तो यू कैन राइट इट इन योर बुक एंड यू कैन share your experience with your classmates also. You can share it with your teacher also. Okay. Find out the telephone number of the fire service in your area. If a fire breaks out in your house or in your neighborhood, the first thing to do is to call the fire service. You know, fire brigades. Fire brigades, the big vehicles which are coming, the people with a particular uniform they are wearing, and they are coming and with the big ladders over there. They are keeping the ladder, they are climbing it if the height of the particular house is bigger one or it is tall one. The people try to climb it over there, especially the service people, those who are giving, and they take the water hoses. पानी की जो पाइप होती है, dear student, it is called water hoses. Okay, and they try to supplement the water and try to extinguish the fire. My today's question is, listen the question very properly and answer me in the comment section. Okay, which is a material that is coated on the uniform of firemen? फायरमैन एक यूनिफॉर्म पहनते हैं पर्टिकुलर, तो वो यूनिफॉर्म के ऊपर एक पर्टिकुलर प्लास्टिक का कोटिंग होता है, और वो प्लास्टिक का कोटिंग कैसा है जिसपे जल्दी आग नहीं लगती. इट इज फायर रेजिस्टेंस. यू हैव टू गिव मी द आंसर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट विच इज दैट प्लास्टिक. डोंट गिव द आंसर थर्मोप्लास्टिक एंड थर्मोसेटिंग. यू हैव टू गिव द पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ दैट प्लास्टिक. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, so I hope very soon you will be giving me the answers in the comment section, and let us see how you are giving the answers. I really appreciate one more student, Busra from class 8C, also gave me the correct answer about the two examples of solid fuel, liquid fuel and gaseous fuel. I really appreciate my students for participating it over here and showing their interest and giving the answers. I wish that you always keep it up these particular things, and your knowledge will be built up more. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to search out the fire brigades fire center number over there. आपको वो टेलीफोन नंबर पता होना चाहिए. This is also very important. You should find it out and let me know. Fine. Let us see further. It is important that all of us know the telephone number of the fire service. ये बहुत ही important है, हम सभी को ये पता होना चाहिए that what is the telephone number of the fire workers. Okay. Further, does your city town have a fire brigade station? क्या आपकी सिटी में, क्या आपके टाउन में फायर ब्रिगेड सेंटर है, और अगर है तो वो कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? That is also you should know. When a fire brigade arrives, what does it do? जब फायर ब्रिगेड आते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं? It pours water on the fire as it is shown in the figure. Okay, water cools the combustion material so that its temperature is brought below its ignition temperature. पानी डालने से ignition temperature जो था उसके नीचे टेम्परेचर चला जाता है. ओके, सपोज करो कि 30 डिग्री पे कोई चीज़ जलना स्टार्ट होती है, तो वाटर डालने से वो 30 डिग्री से 20 पे चला जाएगा, डिग्री कम हो जाएगी इसकी. ओके, सो व्हेन द डिग्रीज आर गोइंग डाउन, कंबशन इज नॉट गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. ओके, फर्दर it prevents the fire from spreading. Water vapor also surrounded the combustible material, helping in cutting off the supply of air, so the fire is extinguished. Dear students, just imagine कहीं पे भी आग अगर लगी हुई है तो जनरली पीपल क्या करते हैं? वाटर डालते हैं. वाटर डालने से क्या होता है? इग्निशन टेम्परेचर कम हो जाता है एंड फायर विल बी स्टॉप. वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, जब हम वाटर डालते हैं तो it is forming the layer on the thing which is burning. So what it is doing the cut off of the supply of oxygen. ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई वहाँ पे बंद हो जाता है, and we say that without oxygen combustion is not possible. We have seen the activity, right? इसीलिए जब कोई इंसान जलता है, somebody is catching fire, why the people are wrapping the clothes over there? लोग उसको ब्लैंकेट से ढकना क्यों शुरू करते हैं? ताकि ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई कट ऑफ हो जाए. If oxygen supply is cut off, the fire will ultimately extinguish. Is it clear? So this is generally happening it over here. You have learned that there are 3 essential requirements for producing fire. Can you list these requirements? These are fuel, air, that is supply of the oxygen, and the heat to rise, or you can say ignite the temperature. Fire can be controlled हमारे पास 3 पर्टिकुलर कंडीशंस है। कौन कौन सी? कंबस्टेबल मटेरियल होना चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन होना चाहिए और इग्निशन टेम्परेचर अटेन होना चाहिए। तो कोई भी चीज़ जल रही है मतलब कंबस्टेबल मटेरियल जो है उसको तो आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हो, राइट? वो तो ऑलरेडी है, जल रहा है। और कौन सी 2 कंडीशंस है जिसको आप हैंडल कर सकते हो? दैट इज सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। कुछ भी करके सप्लाई ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कट ऑफ कर दीजिए तो कंबशन क्या हो जाएगा? स्टॉप हो जाएगा। या तो फिर उसका इग्निशन टेम्परेचर कम कर दीजिए तो भी कंबशन स्टॉप हो जाएगा। सो सपोज इफ यू डोंट हैव वाटर, आपके घर के आसपास पानी नहीं है, तो आप क्या करेंगे? व्हाट विल बी द अनदर अल्टरनेटिव? जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट। कैन वी यूज सैंड? क्या हम रेती यूज कर सकते हैं? यस। When we are taking the sand, bucket of the sand, and when we are just throwing it on the particular material which is burning, we do the cut off of the supply of the oxygen and the combustion will be stopped. Combustion will. But if there is a huge fire, you know, you really need a water. Otherwise, without water, you cannot control such a fire. So that is very important to note over there that you require the material depending on where the fire is caught. Okay. So further, fire can be controlled by removing one or any factor. या तो आप ignition temperature कम कर दीजिए कोई भी पानी यूज करके या कुछ भी यूज करके, या तो आप ऑक्सीजन का सप्लाई कट ऑफ कर दीजिए। The job of the fire extinguisher is to cut off the supply of air. जितने फायर ब्रिगेड्स के लोग होते हैं वो जनरली क्या ट्राई करते हैं? टू कट ऑफ द सप्लाई ऑफ एयर, okay, either by splashing the water or else by splashing the carbon dioxide gas which is available in the red color cylinder. Dear student, actually carbon dioxide is not there in the cylinder. In the cylinder there are 2 chemicals. When they are shaking it over the cylinder and when they open the nozzle, when they are opening the nozzle, the carbon dioxide gas along with the water is coming out, and that is doing the extinguishing of the fire. So dear student, the job of the fire extinguisher is to cut the supply of the air to bring down its temperature of the fuel or both. कभी कभी हम टेम्परेचर भी कम कर देते हैं और कभी कभी हम पावर सप्लाई भी कट कर देते हैं ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. We are doing both possible in the cases. Okay. Next time we will be starting from the point notice that the fuel. Okay, we are going to see how the fire extinguisher actually works. We are going to see that